It's a lovely midsummer evening. It's 12 o'clock. Fruit is abundant. These lovely blackberries coming on. Just look at those. But what I'm really interested in is the apples. Go along here. Now, I've been nurturing this tree. I'm not sure if it's a discovery or a Worcester pear main, early variety. It's beautiful. So you can't get near this in the day because of the wasps. I mean, it's wasp central. There's one of my homemade wasp traps there. A few I've picked. But just look at the colour. Wasp trap number 2. I want to pick some of these, and the little bastards are flying around, so I can make an apple pie or a Tarte Tatin. No, pear mains discovery can be picked early. Start of August, mid-August. So yeah, I'm gonna pick apples while the wasps don't fly. If I can hold a torch like that, or like that, in between the legs, I don't care. See what they're like. You should be able to twist them and they come off. We have that one as well. Let's just twist. He ain't ready. So we'll go over here. It's got my name on. Will he come off? Yeah. Go over here, we can have a look. So one of the smaller apples, crisp, little tartness. Some say it's got a strawberry taste, but yeah, absolutely perfect. 2 apples. These little bastards won't be getting their little creepy legs on. Right, we'll go to bed, and tomorrow we make pie. Look at that one there. Stop off at the plum tree on the way. Beautiful plums. Great fruit growing county, Worcester. Especially apples, plums. Beautiful these are. So sweet. Got the apples, plums, blackberries to look forward to. And then the damsons. But on a summer's evening, I like to go all Romany. I'm gonna get me some kip. See you in the morning. There's a moth. So for my Tarte Tatin, you want a pan that can go straight in the oven off the hob. Nicely bagged up these apples and mucking about. So you want enough apple quarters to fill your pan. And all we need to do is peel these, core them, slice them. Now my bowl here, ice cold water, squirt of lemon juice. That will stop the apples browning. Basically, real simple. Got a wasp around me, you know, they just won't let go. having their revenge. Got him. So you don't want to hang about doing this. Like I said, depend on the size of your apple, in quarters or into 6. So simple, you don't need to watch me do all of these. 1 apple into half, into quarters. If you haven't got a corer, just use your knife. And that's what we want. Just straighten those ends up where the stalk was. Robert is your mother's brother. Right, I'll get on with the rest of these. I'll see you in 2 shakes of a wasp's tail. That's all my apple pieces. Nicely done. Get my pan over to the stove. Right, get your pan on a medium heat. About 50 grams of butter to 50 grams of caster sugar. Put that in there like that. It's going to make basically a caramel. So until it's nice and dark and caramelized, just keep an eye on it, make sure it doesn't burn, but we want a nice deep golden brown colour. Look how lovely and golden that is. Really don't want to take it any further than that. So you want to put these in the pan now. Fry them off. There's a bit of sizzle in there, but just go round. Okay, so on a nice medium to low heat, you just want to cook these now until they soften, about 8 to 10 minutes. Just tidy that up. Got another bit there. Put in. Look at that. No gaps. What you want. Look at that. So you want your apples then, so they're just going soft but not falling apart. That's perfect. Obviously you want them to keep some of their integrity. You don't want a load of basically apple sauce on some pastry. So what I'm going to do is let that cool for 5 minutes, and then we will get our puff pastry lid on. Now, you know the drill. Life is too short for making puff pastry, so just buy some. Looks good. Looks real good. Okay, so you want your pastry to be 1 inch wider than your pan. I'm going to place that on. Just make sure gently we tuck that right in, enveloping those apples right down to the bottom. Nice and steady. Doesn't matter if it's rustic. What you've got to remember is this is going to be the bottom. So that'll just be a little crust around the edge. Very cool. Just get a fork, prick it. Now I've got my oven heated to 180 degrees, which is a gas mark 6. I'm going to put it in there and cook it for 20-25 minutes. The obligatory egg wash. Nice and gentle. You want it to keep all that apple hidden. Right, in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes. After 10 minutes I might take it out, see if it needs another egg wash. So this has been in 10 minutes. Have a look at it. Can't wait to get this down my neck. Just going to give it another egg wash. I want it nice and golden and crispy. And that should do the trick. It's almost a shame for that to be the bottom, isn't it? So after 20 minutes then, it looks like that. Golden, crispy. You can see the bubbling underneath. Now, we're going to let that cool for a few minutes. Then we're going to tip it over. Literally, you don't know what it's like under there. It's like doing a terrine. Until you release them out of the mould, you don't know how they're going to be. But I'm hoping that's going to be spot on. Well, it's the moment of truth. So you just want it to cool. You don't want it to cool completely because you'll never get it out. This is a scary bit. Just getting it under, just loosening it all around. Right, plate flipping. The ancient art of plate flipping. One plate on the top. Might just go out a shot here a minute while I just get this handle over the edge. I don't know, I just feel like I need to tap it like a sandcastle. Wow. As a whistle. How good is that? Oh man, I want to eat it. Absolutely beautiful. So we're going to let that cool a little bit more and we'll cut a slice. Just seems a waste just to pile into it now for the sake of it. I'd rather just admire it.